Understanding the phrase, out of sight, in English. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. We're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, out of sight. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Out of sight literally means not within one's visual range. When you cannot see something because it's too far away or blocked by something else, it's out of sight. For example, the ball rolled out of sight under the couch. Interestingly, out of sight can also be used figuratively to express the idea that something is no longer being considered or remembered. If a problem is out of sight, it often means it's temporarily forgotten, like the saying, out of sight, out of mind. In popular culture, out of sight sometimes has a completely different connotation. It can mean something is exceptionally good or impressive. If someone says, "That concert was out of sight," they're telling you it was amazing. I hope this video has made the phrase, out of sight, clear and that you're now comfortable using it in various contexts. Remember, whether something is literally out of your vision, forgotten, or incredibly impressive, out of sight has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.